Strengthening Faith 55. I had a thought which I wanted to share. There are many Muslims who dedicate much of their time, effort and wealth on things which are neither righteous deeds nor sins, meaning they are vain things. Vain things can also include acquiring unnecessary things, such as beautifying one's home beyond their necessities. Even though they might be correct in their claim that they are not committing sins, it is important to understand a fact. Namely, time is a precious gift from Allah, the Exalted, which cannot be gained once it departs. All other things can be acquired, such as wealth, all other things except time. So when one dedicates their time as well as other blessings such as wealth to unnecessary and extra things, meaning vain things, it will only lead to a great regret on Judgment Day. This will occur when they observe the reward given to those who made use of their time and performed righteous deeds. Time wasters may have avoided sins which saved them from punishment, but as they wasted time on vain things, they may face criticism. And they will surely lose out on the reward they could have gained if they utilize their time and other blessings correctly. In addition, it is important to understand that the more one indulges in vain things, the closer they are to falling into extravagance and waste, both of which are blameworthy. For example, those who waste blessings are considered the siblings of the devil. And it can be argued, when one dedicates their time to vain things, they have in fact wasted the precious blessing of time. Chapter 17 Al-Isra, verse 27.
Indeed, the wasteful are brothers of the devils.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.